In this guide, we're going over the very best deck to use here in Arena 18 in Clash Royale. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. But here in Arena 18, I'm going to give you the Royal Giant Skeleton King Goblin Gang deck, which is essentially a heavy control deck with a nasty counter push potential if used right. Now, your Royal Giant is going to be a win condition. What you're going to want to do is drop him behind your Fisherman or Zappies, and you'll create a slow, tanky push that's super hard to stop. The Fisherman is clutch for pulling enemy tanks into the middle, while the Mother Witch is going to punish swarms by spawning pigs that snowball into huge counter damage. The Skeleton King shines here. Goblin Gang and Zappies, as well as Mother Witch, all feed his soul count. Once he's charged up, he becomes a terrifying mini tank that can soak damage and drop a skeleton army mid-push. For spells, you have the Fireball to clear out glass cannons and the Log to easy cycle and control swarms. This pair gives you a consistent value in both offense and defense. Overall, the deck's attack is good, godly defense, and synergy works nicely between the gang, the Witch, and Skeleton King. And versatility is a little bit lower on this deck just since you are mainly playing around Royal Giant, and the free-to-play score isn't great just because of all the legendaries. But here in Arena 18 and above, this deck is going to dominate when played patiently. That's the key word. Patiently. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.